Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, I'm going to show you another platform. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment, opinions, and review only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. In simplest terms, a decentralized platform is a digital system that is not controlled by a single organization or company. Instead, it uses a network or computers often spread around the world to operate in a shared and open way. That means decision and operation happen through agreed upon rules that everyone on the network follows rather than the central authority. The platforms are often built using blockchain technology, which is a type of digital record keeping that is transparent and secure. One example of the centralized platform is the Tether Club. So at its core, Tether Club aims to let users participate in a smart contract powered ecosystem. Smart contracts are programs stored on a blockchain that run exactly as they were set up, without anyone having to manually enforce them. Think of a smart contracts as a digital agreements that automatically do what they say they will do once certain conditions are met. This adds a level of automation, transparency, and fairness to transaction and interaction on the platform. So how do people use platforms like Tether Club? User can join system with digital wallets, engage with tools and services, and participate in transactions or community activities. Because the system is decentralized, users are more direct control over how they interact with it, instead of relying on a middleman or gatekeeper. So the setup can help reduce fees, speed up transaction, and offer more opens in the data and activity are handled. So why it matter, guys? So you might wonder why decentralized ecosystems important. First, they give more control to user rather than a central company. This can lead a greater freedom and independence in how people manage digital assets and information. That can lead to a greater freedom and independence of the information and digital assets itself. The second one is this platform promote transparency because the blockchain keeps a shared record that everyone can review. It's much harder for the data to be hidden or tampered with a secret code or anything, guys. Okay. So finally, decentralized systems are helping innovators build new tools, from digital finance to online communities, in a ways that were not possible before. So platforms like Tether Club are part of a broader movement toward digital system where users have more say and more access to tools that were on or once limited to big organization. Even if you're just learning about these ideas, understanding the basic can prepare you for now, and the technology is evolving and how people around the world are interacting with it. So to wrap up this video and a friendly review, guys, and friendly advice, do your own research before doing anything else. This is a for review and opinion only, guys. So easy to understand. Look at the decentralized platforms at what something like Tether Club is all about. Okay, so do your own research, guys. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what the topic you want on my next video.